Hey people, welcome to this stream. Let me check if I'm live or not, then we can start. Just give me a minute. Okay. Yep. I am live. So yeah. It's exact 9:01. So let's begin. So we have today's problem as product sales analysis. So let me expand this. So we have the sales table. Uh, with columns like sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. So sale ID and year is the primary key, the combination of this columns, and product ID is the foreign key. Foreign key in the sense we might have the another table to product table. So each row of this table shows a sale on the product ID in a certain year. Note that price is per unit. So we have product ID and product name in the product table, that is the second table, and product ID is the primary key, which is the foreign key of or which is referenced from sales table. Okay, so write a solution to select the product ID, year, and quantity and price for first year of every product sold, and return the result table in any order. So let's see the input and output first, and then we will go to the query. So as you can see, we have sales table with this data, that is sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price, and we have product ID and product name. So if you see, product ID is twice 100, 200. So let's consider this 100 and 100 here. Okay, so what they want is first year sold. So basically this they want data. Okay, so if you see 100, year is 2008. Okay, and quantity is 10 and price is 5000. 10 and 5000. So they have not considered the product ID 100 in 2009. So because they want the product data of the first year sold. Okay, so this is the kind of data they want. Okay, and 200 product ID is directly straightforward because only 1 year 2011, so we can return that directly. Okay, so let's switch to the query. So we are using here the CTE, that is common table expression. Okay, so with TT, as you can rename to anything as you like. Okay, so first thing first, this query you need to understand. So select star. So there are some Windows functions like rank, tens rank, lead, lag, row number, etc. Okay, so which help you to get the windows. Okay, so whatever limitations you have with the group by query, it can be solved using the rank functions or window functions for now. Okay, so let's understand in that way. So select star and rank. So rank in the sense it gives the ranking as 1, 2, 3 like that. Over partition by in the sense it is partitioning by product ID. That means it is grouping it by product ID. Order by year. Okay, so we are ordering by year as RN. So this entire thing is the single column. Okay, which is named as RN from sales. So if you want to see the output, let me comment out this part. So you will see this output. Okay, so select star in the sense it will select everything from sales table, and you will see the rank of everything. Okay, so if you see this, this is the output. Okay, so sale ID is product ID, year, product uh, sorry, sale ID, then product ID, year, quantity, price, and RN. So if you see RN here, for product ID 100 and 100, we have RN as 1 and 2. Okay, so once that product ID is over, it is 200, so it starts again with 1. Okay, so this is how ranking goes. Okay, so and one more thing, okay, since we are ordering it by year, let's say if there is another year like 2008 itself. Okay, then what it will do is it will rank as 1 1 itself. Okay, and the third will be it will skip 2 and it will be 3. Okay, but in case of dense rank it will be vice versa, so it doesn't skip the rank. Okay, so that is the only thing you need to keep in mind. Don't get confused here. Okay, so in this way you get the output of the inner query for now. Okay, so whatever output we are getting from the inner query, what we are doing is we are selecting product ID year as first year. Okay, so year as first year, and quantity and price from TT. TT in this sense, this entire thing is a view or a table you can consider for now. Okay, where rank is equal to 1. So wherever the rank is equal to 1, we are selecting that query. That's it. Okay, so let's run this. this query works. Okay, so this is like some you can consider as advanced intermediate to advanced level of questions can be used in CTs. Okay, okay, so this is the query in SQL. Let's go to Pandas. So Pandas is, so we have sales and product. Okay, as you can see from the SQL table, we did not consider the product data itself. We just considered the sales data. Okay, and we were able to get the output. Okay, so in case of Pandas, we had two data frames again, sales and product. So what we're doing is we are first merging the sales and product table. Okay, how we are merging it? Left join on product ID. Okay, left join in the sense we get all the data from the sales table, but from product, if it is not there in sales data, it is left as null. Okay, and first year DF is this dot group by product ID year of min. Okay, so min in the sense we get the minimum data. Okay, that means the min of all the year, which is grouped by product ID. Okay, and resetting the index. So if you want to check that output, okay, let me comment out this part, and what will is return what is it, first year DF, right? Yeah, yeah, first year DF. Okay, so let me return this so as to get this output. Okay, so first thing first, we merged this data frame like both the data frames on product ID. Okay, and from this merged DF we are creating another data frame, that is first year DF, where we are grouping it by product ID and we are getting the min of year. Okay, min of year in the sense minimum of year. So if you see here, where is the output? You see 2008 we got. We did not get 2009 from here. Okay, so that is how the min is working. Okay, and finally what we are doing is result dot data frames we are getting first ADF dot merged. Okay, we are merging these two data frames again, first ADF and merged. How? Inner. Okay, inner in the sense only the common records on product ID and year. Okay, on two columns we are merging, and we are renaming the columns to year and first year. That is what we want. Okay, as the renamed column. So if you see, we have product ID, first year, quantity, and price. So the year column is renamed. Okay, so if I run this, okay, so we got the output as they were expecting. Okay, so hope this helps. So don't get confused here. So we are using three data frames basically. One is merged df. Okay, so let's consider data frame one. Okay, or data set. I'm not able to pronounce it, I don't know why. Okay, so in this data set we are merging sales data set and product data set, and in this data set we are creating new data set from this data set. Okay, and finally from these two data sets we are creating our result. Okay, and we are returning the required columns. Okay, so hope this helps. If you have any doubts, do comment out in the comment section, and do like, share with your friends who are trying to upskill in the same. Okay, so yeah, meet you in the next problem statement. Till then, take care. Bye bye.